Hello and welcome 9Tubes, and today in this video you will see the unboxing of Samsung Metro XL phone. It's the budget option, billing. It's very nice phone in the market right now with a decent camera. It is a low cost option, very economical. It has a camera and a lot of other features as well. So let's get started. This knife is from Victorinox, pretty sharp. Oh, that's some other stuff. Some code details of the phone. Let's open the package. Looks nice, pretty handy. Let's see what's in the package. Okay, where is the phone? Okay, here's the phone. A charger. Headphones, manual, and a battery. Let's open the back and drop in the battery. It was really hard for me since I don't have nails. So to turn it, press the call ending button. So here are the various options it has. I'm just going to check the camera here. So I'll check two things. One, when the camera is still. The second photograph is when we move the camera a little bit, like in motion. Let's check the quality. Don't match it to the iPhone, but it is pretty decent at this cost. So that's it for the day. In the coming videos we'll be unboxing other stuff also, more different budget options and creative options. So hit the bell icon to get the notification. Do share the video with your friends. If you like it, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. It really helps. After all, it's free. Have a nice day. I'll see you in the next one.